Hi everyone, and welcome to Rating X India. Let's see the best top-load washing machine under 15,000 to buy in India. Please subscribe to our channel and support us. Let's start with the fifth product in the list. Please see the video description for the product links. We've analyzed different top-load washing machine under 15,000 and hand-picked these as the best ones based on our evaluation. We have highlighted the key features and benefits of each top-load washing machine under 15,000. Hope it helps you to easily compare and choose the one that suits you. To know the product price details, please refer to the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.